Today I am going to show you how easy it is to generate and email a bump test or calibration certificate in iNet Control. After logging into your iNet Control account, simply enter the serial number you are after into the search bar on the top right and click Search or hit Enter. This will bring up the instrument summary page for the serial number you have entered. On the left, you'll have a general summary of the instrument, including the serial number, instrument type, and the last time it was stocked. And on the right, you will find the Quick Links panel. To view the most recent calibration certificate, click on the View Calibration Quick Link. This will open a pop-up window with the calibration certificate. From here, you have a few options. You can directly print the calibration certificate by clicking on the printer icon. Directly next to this icon, you can choose to download the certificate instead. And lastly, you can choose to email the calibration certificate by simply entering the email address you wish to send to. Once you've done that, hit Submit, and you'll get a confirmation that the email has been sent. For the bump certificate, repeat the same process by clicking View Bump Certificate instead, which is located directly above View Calibration Certificate. If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of the iNet Control platform, the team at your local AirMet Scientific office are happy to help with any questions you may have.